You gotta bring it up and pound it. Try to bring it so your hand, one's on the bottom, one's on the top, and then it comes down. Okay. When you switch it.
Do right hand first.
Okay, she got you on this.